my channel. So for today's video we are doing just kind of a really quick latex and special effects kind of look to announce my giveaway that is going up this week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not really a tutorial, it's more of just, hey, watching me turn my cheeks into big writing across it. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway into my skin, so it's kind of look like I burned or branded the words giveaway into my cheeks. So I am going to take off my wig for the time being so it does not get ruined. Put it aside and put my hair back up. So if you guys are interested in how to get this eye look, don't worry, it will be going up soon. I just finished filming it, but I believe I'm gonna be putting up my giveaway video first. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm taking Ben & I liquid latex and I am pouring it into a bowl that I use for mixing. And I use a spatula with my liquid latex, and I have toilet paper right here. So I'm just going to be taking the toilet paper and tearing it up, and because this is 2-ply toilet paper, I'm just going to be tearing it into 1-ply and making like little strips with it. So I'm going to start by putting latex on my face in the letters that I want it. Alright, so now that I have a giveaway across my face, I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then we can come back and we can do some shading and add some blend. Alright, so now that it is a little bit more dry, I am going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with the color You're Kidding, and I'm just going to add some red discoloration all around where the burn is going to be. Add a little bit of foundation onto a foundation brush and just go over top of the latex and make it my color. I'm just going to add some red all around the letters. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. And I'm going to go in with a kind of like a darker brown red and a little bit of black and a little bit of red. And just make it even more dimension with colors. God, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for. So now that that's all done, we can go in with a little bit of 99% alcohol. So this is paint that has to be used with 99% alcohol to activate it. So it is the Master Brews Color Circle. It looks like this. It's by Ben & I. And I'm just going to go in with the darkest reds with some alcohol and bring out the color a little bit.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess.
Alright, so once you have the painting done to your liking, you can go in either with some scat blood or you can just leave it like this. So if you're looking just to write words in your mouth like go away or give away, whatever, and you can just stop right here and it looks like you have carved in writing in your face, or you can add some blood. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of scat blood just on a Q-tip just to gore up some of the parts. I'm not going to put it on all over, but ooh, my scat blood actually is dried out. Oh, that's no good. Looks like I won't be using my scat blood. So my scat blood dried out because the lid was slightly left open, so that's no good. I'm gonna have to pick some more up this weekend. I suppose this is where I will leave off for the gore part. I may just add just a little bit of stage blood in because, so this is the stage blood by Benai, and I'm just going to add just some drips. Nothing too crazy to take away. I'm going to get rid of some of this. And that is the finished carved kind of look. It looks really cool. So I'm going to clean up my workspace and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. So it has my give and my away on the other side. So it's really fun. It's just this cool little way to make it look like you have writing carved in your face, and it looks really cool. So to get on with my giveaway that I am doing this week, so it's going to be going up on my Instagram, so if you aren't already following me on my social medias, make sure to check out my description box below so you can see where you can enter this giveaway. So I am giving away this mini Pink Perfections piece brush set. So it is a 6-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics, and I am also giving away a BH Cosmetics palette. So this palette is the Ultimate Matte 42 eyeshadow palette. So I am going to be reordering both of these items for the lucky winner, and I will have it shipped directly to your house. These ones are both items that I ordered originally for the giveaway, but then I realized, I was just like, you know what, it doesn't really make sense to ship it to two places and pay for shipping twice because I live in Canada, so I'm just going to ship it directly to your house from BH. Plus I've already ripped the box, so I felt like I was just going to repurchase it again anyway because this box is a pain in the ass to get into. So the palette that I am giving away is a 42 eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. So it has a protective case on it, or a cover on it. So taking that off. So the eyeshadows look like this. They're just really gorgeous. I'm really excited for this blue Perry, whatever color it is right here. And I am really excited to play with it. So I will be ordering a new palette and a new brush set for the lucky winner. So make sure to enter my giveaway. My giveaway will be running for a week long and it will be hosted on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. But thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have been providing me with my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that we have already reached over like 550 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for all of the support, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys at my next one. Bye!